Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Target app to pay in a store. It's super easy and convenient, and I will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. For paying using Target application, you have to follow these steps. So make sure you are following these steps. First, you have to download the Target app from the App Store or Google Play Store. After downloading app, it is you have to log in, or if you are new user you have to register account first and then log in into your Target account. And now in the second method is to before heading to the store, make sure your payment method is ready. Here is how: tap on your profile icon in the button right corner, go to wallet from the menu and add your payment method. This could be a credit card, debit card, or even a Target gift card. Just tap on a add payment method, and follow the prompts. And now in the third step, uh, go back to the wallet section in the app. Now you will see an option to scan your barcode at the checkout. Make sure everything looks good, your payments method and or any gift card or Target Circle offers you have added will show up here. And once you have set up the wallet, head to your nearest Target store and do your shopping and everything you need to your card. And when you are ready to pay, head to the checkout. Now here you have to use the wallet to pay. At a checkout, open the Target app and go to the wallet section. uh, the app will show a unique barcode to the cashier. Scan the barcode or scan it yourself at the self checkout. The app will automatically apply your payment method and any discount or gift card you have added. Once the barcode is scanned, confirm the total on the screen. It will appear on the screen and you have to just confirm that. If everything looks good, your payment will be proceed. And just like that, you have paid with the Target application. That's it. This is very easy. Using the Target app to pay in a store or anywhere you want. Not anywhere, you can only pay. You can use to pay Target app. Only speed up checkout, but also help you to stay safe with the Target Circle offer and gift card. If you found this video helpful, then thank you for watching.